Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the Age of Industrialization together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study the Age of Industrialization, how factories and machines transformed production in Britain and India, and what it meant for workers. Even before factories, goods were made on a large scale. Merchants gave raw materials to peasants who spun and wove at home. This system, called Proto Industrialisation, spread across the countryside. From the 1780s, factories spread across Britain. Cotton was the first great industry, powered by new machines and the steam engine. Production rose sharply, and goods could now be made in huge quantities. In India, cheap British cloth hurt local weavers, yet Indian entrepreneurs set up their own factories. The first cotton mill opened in Bombay in the mid-1850s, beginning Indian industrial growth. Industrial cities drew many job seekers, but work was scarce and conditions harsh. To sell their goods, manufacturers used advertisements and labels, shaping a market for factory products. To recap, industrialization grew from home-based production to large factories powered by steam. It began in Britain and reached India by the 1850s, transforming work, markets, and the lives of workers. Great work? Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.